today we are going to make these agate shaped coasters in red and golden colors, which are going to be perfect Christmas gifts. These are all the supplies that you're going to need. All the details are in the description box below. Here I have 4 agate shaped coaster molds that I got from Amazon, and then the clear casting resin that I got from Michaels. It's made by Craftsmart. It comes in 2 parts, part A and part B. Part A is the casting resin, part B is the hardener, which we mix in equal quantities, the 1:1 ratio. I also have some cups here that I'm going to use to mix my resin and mix the colors in. So these are just cups that I can throw away later because we can't save any of the resin once it's mixed. Here are the 3 colors that I used: red, dark red, and then a silver. The silver adds a nice shimmer to the overall colors. I also have gloves that I'm going to wear as I do all the mixing and pouring, and I'm also wearing a mask. So let's begin by mixing our resin together. Beginning with part A, I've poured it all the way up to the brim of the cup, and once it's full, I'm pouring it into a larger container where I'm going to mix in the part B. So I'm taking equal amounts of the part B, the hardener, and I put it in the larger container to mix it well. It takes a few minutes to mix it all together. Once it's nicely mixed and all together where you don't see the liquids separate anymore, then you can split it out into as many colors as you want. I have split it up into 3 parts. Basically, I'm going to put 1 cup, I'm going to add my darker red shade over here, as you can see, and then mix that up well. I'm using chopsticks because I can reuse them, clean them up and save them and reuse them later. So make sure the colors all together. Then in my second cup, I'm going to put this lighter red and do the same thing, mix it up, get it all together, and once it's all done, you can leave that. I also added a drop of the silver into the clear resin, which I didn't show over there. But once you have the colors ready, I begin by pouring my darker shade onto the borders or closer to the edge of the coaster itself, and I'm going to do that with all the 4 coasters. And I'm trying to ration the resin a little bit. I didn't know how much I was going to need, but you can come around and add more if you have more. Then similarly, I'm pouring in the lighter red now, filling it up around the center. Again, like I said, I was rationing. I wasn't sure how much I had, if it was going to be enough or not. And what it does is basically, as you add the colors, the 2 or 3 shades that you have, it's just going to all blend together. Okay, so once your colors are poured, you're going to come and torch the resin. As you can see on the surface, there are some bubbles, and the torching is going to take the air out and make it nice and smooth. Once the torching is done, I'm coming back here and pouring the clear resin, which does have the silver shimmer. Once you're done with mixing all the resin, then you let it sit overnight for the resin to cure and harden up. It takes about 24 hours, and then you can start unmolding the coasters from the molds. As you can see over here, the beautiful shimmer and the dual red shade, the resin has cured pretty well. So once you're done unmolding all the coasters, then you can begin painting. For the painting, I've used an Americana multi-surface metallic golden shade, and I'm going to go around and coat it 2 times. The first coat of the gold is usually pretty transparent and see-through, so I like to do it twice. It takes a couple of minutes for the first coat to dry. I don't paint so fast. This is a video that I increase the speed on. But once you're done doing the first coat, then I like to go around the coaster and give it a slight, very narrow border, kind of, so that you can see the gold on the edge of the coasters as well. And then over here I'm giving it the second coat. That's it. Once the golden paint dries, you are done. Here are your beautiful coasters. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.